Alright, what's up everybody? What's good YouTube? I just wanted to break down this trade real quick, how I found this trade, why I took this trade. You might say that I'm over leveraging on this trade, which I'm really not. I'm actually doing a compound challenge, and I actually used to do 23-second trades, and we're doing a challenge with some 5-minute trades. This trade worked out beautifully, okay? I was on the 1 minute, and I seen this move. We had been testing the EMA. And then on the 5-minute, 1 second while I attend my child and we allow this trade to the trade finish. So I'll be right back. All right. So the trade played out. So if we looked on the 5-minute, I pulled up the 5-minute and I was able to actually come over here and see that, okay, we're here right now at this zone and we're pushing through it. Our next point of interest is this area here. We're at this. When we entered the trade, we were at the bottom of this structure, and I'm expecting it to push up through. As you can see, price is doing exactly what I thought it was gonna do. And I marked this area just as a target area, strictly using price action EMAs. And we're going from top down all the way down to the 1 minute to I barely have been going to the 15-second. I'm mainly going, if I go to the 15-second, I'm going to the 15-second in order to scale in, which is what you've seen. I had the 2 trades going. I actually took 1 trade, waited for the trade to play out on the 15-second. As it started to give me that push and break this area, I had doubled up my trade because I knew that, okay, I have enough time where it's more than likely going to expire before price gives me this pullback, which is what it's doing now. So I'm pretty confident with taking that doubled up trade. Matter of fact, let's go ahead, pull up the replay, and you can see the trade play out with the last couple minutes, and I'll break it down. Okay, all right, we're back. I had to pause it real quick while I technically had to stop it, so I could access the video itself. Let's go here. Gotta wait for it to load. So that was a beautiful. Ooh, this trade's nice too. I might take this. Let's see what that 1 minute look like. Yeah, we're gonna take that. I'm liking that push. I'm still confident that it's gonna push up to this area. At least retest these highs. So pretty confident that I have enough time to hold this trade, and it's pushed off them EMAs nicely. It came down very hard and then pushed off very nicely. As you've seen on that 15-second, that 15-second is kind of what gave me that entry. There was kind of I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of an impulse trade because I seen the move on the 15-second, but I'm pretty confident we're gonna break these highs, create another high, and then we'll get that pullback, and that's where price will probably play at and then fall down. We should have enough time. We should clap this trade. Pause. We should smack this trade. So we'll let this play out real quick, and then we'll get to talking. I gotta pull this video up. Alright, what's up everybody? What's good YouTube? I just wanted to break. Okay. Let's see what that 30-second look like. Okay, I'm liking the 30-second. Give us a little pullback. Let this close and pull up. We want this next candle to at least be a yellow candle, a bullish candle. Ooh, that's pretty feared. Not really though, because we ain't broke these lows yet. So as long as we stay above this and we can continue up, we want to stay above the EMA. It can go down in the EMA a little bit, but I want to stay above the EMA. And I would prefer this, not to break. Maybe give me an even bottom and then continue up. So we'll see. We got 3 minutes left on that trade. So we need a nice push here. We need a nice push here. Oh, I'm not liking that. That's kind of looking iffy. because we're already underneath this EMA, and when it gets price gets underneath of it, it can start to fall, which looks like what it's doing. Yeah, I think this is a loss. Definitely probably a loss. Unless we can get a nice pullback here, this is a loss. Yeah, that thing gonna fall back down to here probably more than likely. That's what's gonna happen. If it was gonna push, it'd push now, because you don't want, obviously, we don't want it to make another low. We don't want the low to be lower than this low. We want it to stay here and then continue to push up. We need a strong push though. If it continues to give us some strong pushes like that, we might be in the clear. We might be cleared. Which, this is a 5-minute trade, so I have time on it. Like, I have time on my side. I have 2 minutes left, so I have at least 4 of these candles. If I can get some nice pushes, but I don't think it's going to. I think it's gonna break these lows, and then it's gonna start to fall. Cause on the 15-minute, yeah, man, I'm expecting. I wanted it to reach here, but it's I think it's as depleted as it's gonna go. Yeah, it's at this high. So price might be already exhausted a little bit. Looks like we're getting a push, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be enough to push it. Not at all. Not at all. Could double it up and secure it, but I'm not gonna do that. This could be the move right here, though. If it starts to give us these nice big pushes, we could be in the clear. But if it doesn't give us the push that we're looking for, it's obviously a loss. It is what it is. I shouldn't have fucking took that trade. Let's see what the 5-second doing. 5-second, maybe to give us some crazy ass candles. Okay, you can wait. Stop thinking that everything has to be right this second. It's not okay. Shut my door. That's why you take a 5-minute trade, baby. You see, I was gonna take a 23-second trade up, but I was just watching the movement of the price, and I didn't like momentum. It wasn't giving me that push that I was expecting it to give me if it was gonna continue up. So I let it ride out. It came down in my favor, and we were able to double it up. We only got an 89% trade there, but that's okay. We still were able to crack it. It's okay. Oh, I'm liking this. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I want to see price come down a little more. I think we're gonna tap it. I think we're gonna tap it. We're gonna wait for this close. We're gonna wait for this close. Let's see what 15-second doing. Yeah, we taking it. We taking it. I like this. I like it's retested the top, like this top of, you want to call this a head and shoulders, this like a neckline, kind of more or less of a broad head and shoulders. So I'm seeing this area get filled at least. Okay, I'll get in a second. at least to here. That's longer than, okay, that's longer than a second. But this is definitely where I see price coming to. This is my target area. It looks very beautiful. This is a 15-second chart. If we go down to the 1 minute, the 1 minute's looking real juicy as well. We just want to see it retest these highs up here and get price to hold up in this this mid area. If you don't know what a midline is, this is what a midline is around this area where there's structure. In a sideways market, that's not the best sideways market, but that's more or less where the midline is. If you go down to the lower time frame, go down to the 15-second, right there, boom, midline. Boom. Oh, price reacts off the midline. Price reacted off the midline. Ain't that crazy? So we want to see price get up here, push here, give us something like this. Give us a nice, how it's pushing is beautiful. That's beautiful. We don't have profits till the trade closes. We don't have profits till the trade closes. That's number one rule. If the trade ain't closed, you don't got profits unless it says profits and it's closed. Don't count the profits. I promise you. You'll get upset. You'll see wick outs and get upset. You'll see wick ins and get happy, and no emotions. We ain't got no emotions. In 1 second, buddy. 1 second. I'm finishing up. I'm wrapping it up. You wanna come say hi to him? You wanna say hi? The camera's on. You can come say hi to him if you want to. Yeah, it's just me. No, you're not gonna see nobody because it's just me recording. See? Look, say hi. Hi. Okay. All right. Now go about your day. Give me a kiss. No, I have to say bye. I'm finishing up. I'm just waiting for this trade to end. Got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's sit and watch. Yeah, I do want to watch. Want to be a trader one day?
I'm gonna fucking be a dad.
What?
I'm gonna fucking be a dad and I can hit this.
Yeah, well, let's not hit that right now.
Why?
Because there's money on the line, bro. There's money in there, bro.
So you are getting money for us can go to Uncle Bowers? You just said
Yeah.
get money, I can go to Uncle Bowers.
Yeah, I'm getting money so we can go to Uncle Powers. I'm printing us money so we can go see Uncle Powers. Huh?
This time I want to go to an airplane on Echo.
You want to go on an airplane to see Uncle Powers?
What can say how he has like hands?
You want to ride an airplane, huh?
I want to say how he has like this minute. What can live there? And we're on time.
Okay. So what we got going on right now? Don't talk. Let me talk to them. Just zip the lips and just watch the chart. Okay. So if you see, we're actually coming to this area right here. This is right now. We're actually technically at a zone, like a 30-second zone. You could count this. Did you burp? You could count this as a 30-second zone. Remember when you're dissecting these candles, each candle has its own zones. 5 minutes have their own levels. The 1 minute's got its own levels. And then obviously 30-second, 15-second, they all have their own levels. But what you should know, this is a gem. Write this down. The higher time frame always holds the most weight. So the higher time frame will always hold the most weight because it has all these the reason is because it has all these candles inside of it. When you go down to the 15-second from a 5-minute candle, you're literally seeing price action for 30-second candles, 1-minute candles, 2-minute candles, 3-minute candles, so on, all the way up to the 5 minutes. Nobody. I need those. But 1 sec, cleared the trade. And like I said, did exactly what I seen. This moving average, the EMA. I rarely use it, but it's been coming in handy with these 5-minute trades. I've been trying to slow down because when you take 30-second trades, you get moving a lot. You trade a lot. And today I've already had 2 sessions, and I've traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. 15. We took 15 trades and we've lost 1, 2, 3. That's it. 3 trades. Took 15 trades and lost 3. So we're up right now 9 trades. Yeah, 9 trades. So we go here to the compound challenge. You can see where I'm at. We're at 1100. So we're right here. We're actually up 6 trades. But if you see, when I first took a trade, I messed it up and took this. This is obviously an older date. I took this smaller trade, and then I took my 15% trades. This was a 5-minute trade, and I scaled in on it twice. I tried to again get another trade for the 5-minute and failed perfectly fine. Went to a different chart, traded the McDonald's, got another 5-minute trade, smacked that. Then we took an Intel trade. Put that down. Then we took it. No, I'm talking. Then we took an Intel trade and lost that. Then we had a McDonald's trade. Then we did an Intel trade. The McDonald's trade, this was a 30-second trade. This was a 23-second trade. The Intel trade was a 5-minute trade. And then that was on my lunch break. And then after lunch, obviously this was from 4:20 to 5. So I got home at 4:30. So 4:30 to 5. 30-minute session. Can you stop doing that before you leak all my credit card information and stuff? Thanks. So and there you go. You could see right now we're up 11. All right. Right now we're up $1,118, and we started at right here. If you go to the chat, you go to deposits. You'll see it right there. A deposit of 173, a bonus of 173, and then a deposit of 289. So 289 and 173. It was like 4 something. So as you can see, you can't fake these. These is what Pocketoptions does. Like Pocketoption sends them messages, so you know if you're like, it'll send you the message if you completed the bonus and stuff and whatnot. But if you're not utilizing the bonuses, utilize the bonuses. Let's see here if it's updated. Yep, it's updated. We're up 600. Okay, stop. We're up $656. That's cool.
Well, I got money, Daddy.
So I just want to bring you in all real quick. Super easy. Stop making this stuff hard. Stop taking them quick trades. You're going to have a super difficult time at it, and you're going to overtrade hella. I can tell you from experience. You could see all them bonus executions failed. When I trade PO, I flip accounts. I don't trade like this is me. Now I'm trying to compound an account for my birthday. That's just my birthday gift to me to complete the compound. And so other than that, it's super simple. I trade zone to zone, top down analysis. I'm using one EMA. You want to know the EMA? The EMA is a 23 EMA, and it's at obviously a one pixel. But I use the one EMA off the 1 minute and the 30-second. When I trade the 23-second trades, I like trading on the 30-second chart, and I will drop down to the 15-second chart initially in order to catch more entries. Like I said, when you're trading in the seconds, you tend to take more and more trades than you normally would. If you take longer trades, you have more time for price to play out. I've just recently switched to just taking 5-minute trades. I don't normally like to switch between taking 5-minute, 23 seconds. Sometimes if I take a loss, I'll jump down to that 23-second trade just to kind of make up for that loss. And if I lose, then it is what it is. Is that not your phone? That is your phone. You've ripped the thing off? Huh? Oh. This is your phone?
Pikachu thing.
This your phone? Where is the Pikachu thing? Did you rip it off?
No.
So then these aren't your phones. These must be the extra phones. So where's your phone? You gotta find you gotta find your phone. It's probably in your room. Go look in your room. I gotta go find the phone. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. I hope y'all got some gems from this. Like, subscribe, share. Make sure you share. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. The community's down below. It's a pre-launch. There's a free Telegram too to get updates if you don't want to join Discord or you don't got a Discord. There's a free Telegram down there below. It's just gonna be updates of the community and what's going on and stuff. So appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Have a good day. Tell them bye.